ATRO stock analysis and ATRO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play for 14th of July and onwards. Astronics Corporation, I mean, first glance is very decent, 17% Friday. You know, it's super cool. And with this in mind, ATRO is just that pumping very nicely, even just took the previous highs. This is so nice, actually. Like, huge props to ATRO. I mean, how I'm looking at this is just I'm looking to double down, like easy. Here's the top. Here is my demand zone. And then ultimately speaking, if I do not see the price pulling down a bit and giving me the shift, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. You know what I mean? Like, ideally it pulls down even lower for us so I can catch that greater move. Bigger risk to reward, you know what I mean? But yeah, if no rules are met, I'm just not going to buy man easy. So if you want my free emails and insights so you can get picks and absolutely my exact formula, again free, click the first link in the description and get the insights and emails.